Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cash App without an SSN. Alright, let's begin. A Social Security Number, or SSN, is a legal identifier Cash App uses to verify your identity. Without SSN verification, your account remains limited. You can receive money, but sending funds, linking a bank, and making deposits will be restricted. To use Cash App without an SSN, start by creating an account with just an email address or phone number. Download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it. Sign up using your email or phone number, then follow the steps to set up your account. You will be asked to create a unique cash tag, which serves as your identifier. At this stage, you can start receiving money. However, when you try to send money or link a bank, Cash App will request additional verification. Without an SSN, these features will remain locked. There is no workaround to fully verify your account without an SSN. Cash App enforces this requirement to comply with financial regulations and ensure security. If you need full access to Cash App's features, you must provide an SSN or an alternative form of identification if supported in your region. So that's basically how you can use Cash App without an SSN. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.